Do green supplements replace vegetables? Green supplements vs vegetables, understanding the benefits and drawbacks. The benefits of green supplements. Increased nutrient intake. Without requiring a significant time commitment or significant changes to one's diet, green supplements can help bridge the nutritional gap by providing essential vitamins and minerals. Improved digestion. Some green supplements contain probiotics and digestive enzymes that help support gut health and alleviate symptoms of digestive issues. Convenience. Green supplements are often easy to incorporate into a busy lifestyle, making them a suitable option for individuals with limited time for meal planning and preparation. The drawbacks of green supplements. Lack of whole food nutrients. Unlike whole vegetables, green supplements often lack the rich combination of nutrients, fiber, and phytochemicals found in their natural counterparts. Variable quality. The quality of green supplements can vary significantly depending on the manufacturer and the specific ingredients used. Want in? Try Gruns VIP today. The link is in the description.